What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I know this will probably get some hate, but I don't really care. So right now I'm going to meet up with MoneyWay. So we're gonna go meet him at Culver's. I know I haven't done a car reveal yet, but I'll give you a little hint. So that's all you guys get to see, because that's the little hint you get. But right now we're gonna take it out, go to a car meet out in Canton, Michigan. I don't know who it's hosted by. It's gonna be a fun night. Josh got a new gimbal, and I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog or whatever I've been doing with these, or I'm gonna start doing with this camera on my channel. So I hope you guys stay around. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and let's get on to the day. Here's another little teaser for you guys of what type of car I got. Woo! Listen to this.
What's up, guys? We're back. Blake right here.
Well, guys.
Oh my God, guys! Pause!
There she is. Welcoming the RS to the channel. We're gonna throw a little edit for it. Josh has got his gimbal. We're gonna get down and gritty with it. We're gonna be going to Kensington and Milford, and then a car meet afterwards. So we're gonna win this gimbal.
What the freak out? Just let me tell you. See that motherfucker like this? What the freak is there? You get all this shit, baby. See that? You can freak it like that. Freak it like this. Freak it this freak shit. Come see him.
So we're gonna be taking some freak shit of the whip. Yeah, give us some reps. Give us some reps.
Woo! I thought you had a limiter. Hell nah. Took it off? Nah, we had that motherfucker.
Keep going.
Oh shit, that took off.
Yes, sir. That's the whip. She's gonna exhaust everything you guys probably think of. It's gonna get done to it. Window tint is coming soon, so that's gonna be sick.
Alright, let's get in your trunk. Let's do some freaking shit.
Sounds pretty good for stock. So we're gonna throw a little edit together for this thing. Deal for my channel, right? Yes. If you haven't already, go check out MoneyWay on YouTube and everything. He'll be in the description. Good photographer.
Hey, stay in school, kids. What's up, guys? We're gonna get that review going. All right, let's go to Menards. We're Menards. All right.
Watch out.
You.
That's how you want to hold it?
How should I hold it?
I don't care.
Okay. Jesus. Damn! Jesus! I lost my phone! God damn!
We were cooking beep word right there. Yeah, you hear that shit, MoneyWay? Woo-hoo! So that's me.
Alright, let's get out of here for the fucking bathtub.
That's right.
That's right.
Because we just hit
Wyatt,
like 100.
get out the massage chair. We gotta go. Who would have one this small? What the fuck is this? It's for a kid. Alright, bye, see you tomorrow. How the f are you supposed to shower? Yeah, look at this. Like, bro, look at me. How did you like this? You got power and everything on there.
Welcome back to
to Josh's toilet review.
My grandma has the one where when you walk in the bathroom, it opens up, it washes the whole toilet for you. And when you're sitting there, it's heated.
Yeah, that'd be
You can press the button or squirt your butthole.
What?
So you're sitting here, you can just...
Oh my god.
Play with me.
Oh shit.
Play with me.
Click it once.
Play with me.
They don't like you.
Play with me.
Welcome back to another one of Josh's product reviews.
We're car shopping right now.
Hey.
Yeah, I got my switcher.
Wait a minute, honey. Honey. 1 second, honey. I'm going under the car. All right. 1 second, honey. I'll see you. 1 second, honey. This whole thing falls on me, I'll be dead. I'm sorry, I've been touching this. Very sorry. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Can you freak him out, please? He's annoying as shit. You have to test the product before to buy it. Am I wrong or right?
I mean, he does have a certain point. As long as you buy it, I'm happy.
Oh, shit. I'll be like... I got the perfect footage. We're good.
Shit.
Dude, they're behind us. Slow down.
Hey, go through.
There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them.
Oh, he's coming in hot.
Behind us. We could just floor it and just leave real
They're
quick.
both coming.
Oh.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh no.
We were doing the speed limit, right?
No, we were doing about 40.
So who pulls over first?
You, motherfucker.
He said all 3 of us.
All 3. Oh yeah.
This right here.
Oh my god.
Wow, first vlog. Hate to see it.